Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrician French Learning. In my today's video, I will teach you some basic conversation in French. So friends, let's start. Hi, how are you? We say how are you in French? Salut, comment ça va? Salut, comment ça va? Salut, Comment CAVA. Salut, comment ça va? Next, hi, I am fine, thank you. We say hi, I am fine, thank you in French. Salut, je vais bien, merci. Salut, je vais bien, merci. SALUTJEVAISBIENMERCI. Next, and you. We say and you in French. Et toi, et toi, et toi, ATTOTOI. Et toi. Next, we say what is your name in French. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? COMMENTTUTAPPESS. Next, my name is Harry. We say my name is Harry in French. Je m'appelle Harry. Je m'appelle Harry. JAMAPPELLE Harry. Next, how old are you? We say how old are you in French? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? QUELAGEASTU. Quel âge as-tu? Next, I am 11 years old. We say I am 11 years old in French. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. JAIONZEANS. Next, where are you from? We say where are you in French? D'où êtes-vous? D'où êtes-vous? DOUETESVOUS. D'où êtes-vous? Next, I am from Bordeaux. We say I am from Bordeaux in French. Je suis de Bordeaux. Je suis de Bordeaux. Next, and you. How old are you? We say and you, how old are you in French? Et toi, quel âge avez-vous? Et toi, quel âge avez-vous? ETTOIQUELAGEAVEZVOUS. Next, I am 12 years old. We say I am 12 years old in French. J'ai 12 ans. J'ai 12 ans. Next, where do you live? We say where do you live in French? Où habites-vous? Où habites-vous?